Investing in education means you're investing in people.
Mayor Eric Adams and Governor Hochul joined together for what could be their last press conference together to celebrate the SPARC Kips Bay project, the construction of a science facility which is estimated to create over 15,000 jobs and generate $42 billion in economic impact over the next 30 years. It's estimated to serve 4,500 students, preparing them for high-paying jobs in the health and life science space.
This is the way it's going to be a world-class hub for healthcare, public health education, life sciences, serving more than 4,500 students in one of the most important fields that's going to determine our future, because we know what it's like when we had a shortage of healthcare workers. It was a scary time for us.
This project is going to contribute to allowing them to stay in good paying jobs through good paying training. With this project, we are making New York City the global capital life sciences, healthcare, and public health.
Mayor Adams and Governor Hochul also taking a moment to celebrate their partnership when it comes to investing in public safety, developing housing in the city, and helping the city recover from the pandemic.
We both took office. We were still coming out of a pandemic. I mean, the greatest health crisis our nation had seen since the 1917 pandemic, I believe. It was hard. It was all consuming. It was like, where are we getting healthcare workers? Where are we getting the PPE from? How are we going to keep people alive? And people question our future. You know, really, were our best days behind us? And they were wrong. They were so wrong.
Mayor Adams just returned to the city after what he called a personal trip to the country of Georgia, where he appeared at the opening of a luxury hotel which had a suite with a New York City theme and visited a sports car dealership. A spokesperson for the mayor said this about the trip, quote, "The mayor is on a personal trip but continues to always stay in touch with staff and continues to monitor what is happening in the city. Like we've said, this is a 24/7 city, and so the mayor is always on call wherever he may be. None of the mayor's costs are being paid by taxpayers." The visit to Georgia comes as the mayor faces scrutiny for recent trips to some common and less common destinations. He's been to Albania, Israel, Uzbekistan, and some American cities. This was the first time that Mayor Adams has faced reporters in weeks, and we had hoped to ask him questions. One, what he plans to do after he leaves office, whether or not he has made a decision on whether or not he'll attend Mayor-elect Mamdani's inauguration, and also other questions about his recent stacking of the Rent Guidelines Board. However, Mayor Adams left the press conference today without taking any questions from reporters. We can also report, though, that the SPARC facility construction on it should begin in a matter of months. In Kips Bay, Olivia Leach, New York 1.
If you want to keep up with what's happening in New York politics and hear more conversations with the people shaping the future of New York and beyond, subscribe to our channel. And let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, elections, and issues that matter to you.